Raindrops are falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for he said.